Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the most important new feature from Instagram, which is favorites. I'm gonna show you how you can add particular content creators or videos or types of posts to appear with advanced setting in front of you, meaning that they will be preferable content, so Instagram will know exactly which type of content you want to see, so you're not gonna miss any content from your favorite creator. Let's launch the Instagram app. So for example, over here, let's say I'm vibing with that type of content, right? Content like this, right? With surfing, with water sports or whatever. So in this example, I want to see this content always. Every time when I launch the app, I want to see more like water sports. So click on the three dots above the post and you click on the second option, which is add to favorites. Okay, when you click on favorites, essentially you see the small red star appears on the upper right corner. So now this video, this creator, this picture, this type of content will always get preference to showing you instead of someone else. So to see what you so far have in your list as a preference, you want to click on this star. When you click on the star, you will see all of your recent favorites. So this post from your favorites will appear in higher in the feed. Only you can see, who you add or remove. Essentially, your friends and your followers, they don't know what is your favorites. It's only you. It's like your own personal preference and of course the Instagram algorithm. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete messages from your message box in Instagram app. Let's launch the Instagram first, guys, and then let's click on the upper right corner so we can launch our messages, so we can find out who messages and how we can actually proceed. So guys, unfortunately, with the recent updates, things have become a little more complicated. If you look left and right, you're not gonna find any delete button. You're not gonna find any option for you to delete your messages, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to hold on the message that you want to delete and I want you to swipe on the left. You're gonna start seeing buttons. The first button will be on red, then it's gonna be general, and then you're gonna swipe and there's gonna be another option which is says more, okay? Now click on more. Here you will find an option essentially to click delete. Okay, when you click delete, permanently will delete your chat. This means that neither you or them will be able to go back on this chat. This chat simply got deleted and it will disappear. This is how people usually delete their chats and then they go and block the other account. If you want to block someone and delete the messages, this is how you want to go about it. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually stop suggested posts on Instagram. When you launch the app, you get a bunch of suggested posts from different accounts that you're not following. I'm going to show you where is this setting and how you can turn this off. Let's launch the Instagram app first. The first thing that you want to do, guys, is you want to click on the lower right corner on your profile icon. Then you want to go ahead and click on the upper right where you see the three straight lines. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. Now guys, I want you to scroll to the section what you see. This is the section and there is a under category which is content preferences. Click on it. On content preferences, you essentially have one function which is says snooze suggested posts in the feed. So when you have this one, you will have all the suggested posts to be hidden in the feed for 30 more days. This means that after 30 days period, this will automatically turn off and Instagram will start suggesting you again. So after 30 days, you have to come back over here and again toggle this on, so you will prevent Instagram keep sending you suggested posts. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually download Instagram Reels for free. Let's first go to the Instagram app and try to find any Reels that we want to download. Let's say for example we want to download this Reels over here. All we gotta do is to go on the three small icons underneath and click on the paper airplane arrow. Over here you have an option over here. The second button is copy link. When you click copy link, okay, now is the easiest part. Easiest part is you need to go on this website over here. It's called snapinsta.app. When you click on it, you come over here in the box, you paste the link and you click download. Usually process very fast depending on the traffic, but essentially they are going to convert and you're gonna download the actual video from the Instagram and they're gonna give you the link for it. Over here is the video and this is the link where you're gonna click. You wanna make sure, guys, that you always check which link is the accurate one and don't click on some spammy advertisement with a fake download button. Okay, guys? For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can schedule your Instagram post for free inside the Instagram app. So first thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app and we want to create a brand new post by clicking on the lower center of the screen. Hit the plus sign and then pick a piece of content that we want to upload. In our case, this is going to be the image, this brand new Ferrari. In our case, we are going to add some of the filters on top of it and we're going to create everything that is as usual for posting. We're not gonna skip or miss anything. So in our case, we are going to simply add the name. We're going to tag the company by simply clicking tag, right? And then guys, we're going to scroll down, add location. Like I mentioned, we are not missing absolutely anything because when you actually schedule your post, guys, when you come back, you're gonna be ready just to click post. So you're gonna make your work a little easier, okay? Right before publishing the piece of content, guys, all we gotta do is to click on the advanced settings on the last option. When you come over here, you will have option number 1 over here, which is schedule this post. When you click schedule this post, you can choose the day, you can choose the time, or you can choose the time of the day. This is very helpful considering that you might be traveling, you might be nomad, digital nomad, right? But your audience might be based in the US. And if you're traveling overseas, you still want to make sure that your post goes live when your audience is live. So if you're in the plane, you still can schedule your post and your post will go live at the right time in front of the right audience. Okay, this is how, when you click done, as you can see over here, our post just got scheduled to be published on January 27 at 10:25 a.m. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can add music or add songs to your Instagram story. Very easy, guys, very simple. First thing, of course, we want to go ahead and launch the Instagram app. So creating a brand new story will start from the upper left corner where you see the small blue plus sign. You want to click on this and then you want to select something that you want to post. In our example, we are going to post this particular image over here. As usual, guys, you want to include all the edits. In our example, we're going to mention the Ferrari. Why? Because the car is Ferrari and we want to make sure that the Ferrari official website sees our post. Okay, don't forget to mention, don't forget to make the post perfect so you have the highest chance to get viral. Okay, then you want to make sure that you include the locations. In our example over here, we're having Malibu. Very nice. You see now the post looks completely different. And guys, this is where the magic happens. Do you see the small note icon over here on the upper right? You want to click on the small note icon and this is where the music comes. So the first will be For You. This is everything that is currently used in the viral songs and this is where you can look through what is currently trending. But if you're not into trending and you are into more individual experience, you want to swipe on the right side and come over here and browse through the different genres. You have the Weekend, you have the love, you have more R&B and soul, you have the hip hop, you have all the stuff together. Okay, And last but not least, if you still cannot find what you like, you can come over here on the search bar and look for an artist or a particular song title. You can find it, and when you're ready guys, all you gotta do is to click add. Next step is simply to click on the lower left, tap your story, and this is how you're going to post a story with a song on the Instagram app. Very easy guys, very simple. For more videos like this, subscribe and come back for more. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can switch your Instagram account type. You can switch from either creator or personal, or you can switch from the business account. First thing, of course, we need to launch the Instagram app. Then I want you guys to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the upper right corner where you see the 3 straight lines. Now if you have the recent updates, you will have this type of menu over here. As you can see, we have even threads. Now I want you to click on settings and privacy. In our example over here guys, we're going to switch from business account back to either personal or creator account. The menu and the magic happens over here at the section for professionals. You want to click on business tools and controls. Now the next step is to switch and to scroll all the way down to the section switch account type. You click on switch account type and you will find the 2 available options for you that you can switch from the current business account. You can switch to either back to personal or back to creator account. This will give you an option further on to be able to make your account private if you want to hide your followers, following list, content, and any activity related to your social media experience. Okay, you cannot turn your business account into a private, so this is the route to go. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share Instagram Reels on your Facebook app. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram and let's take a look and try to find a reel that we want to share on our Facebook account. As I promised you guys, it will be very easy, just 2 clicks and you're done. So you want to scroll down and you want to look at the section that is under the actual video. Okay, you have the heart, you want to like it, you can comment it, and then you can click on the paper airplane. When you click on the paper airplane, you have this small menu underneath over here. You want to scroll down on the side until you find the option over here for Facebook. This is where you're going to click and you're going to share the Instagram Reels on Facebook. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and come back for more.